Hello, so this is Aoun, and this is my object oriented programming game progress video 1. The name of my game is Panwan Liberal Code Cleanup. The idea of this game is that with the rise of modernity, new liberal viruses are ra- in, spreading from the university area. New liberal viruses are spreading from the university area, and some citizens of Karachi have taken a good initiative to finish them and counter them. So, this is a plane fighter game, and the story was asked to build in the context of Habib University. This is how it will look like a plane fighter game will start, and airplane will shoot at enemy fighters and boss enemies. So this is the whole idea of the game. So what I've already done before this is the UML and the storyline and the collection of sprites and music. So let's see what I've already done. So these are the sounds I've already collected. These are the images I have. These are the screens, and these are the maps I will use in my game. So this is the aerial view, a Google map from some location to Habib University. So a boss enemy will, at the end of the game, the boss enemy will come from Habib University. So I think this is what I've already done, and for this week, I think I've achieved all the milestones what I've written in my roadmap, and I think I'm up to date according to my roadmap. So these, so let me show you the UML which I completed last week. This is around 28 classes, and this is around 28 classes, and this is the plain abstract class. It has player and enemy, and the enemy factory has the regular enemy and the boss enemy. Likewise, we have the map, we have the game class, we have 12 to 13 screens inheriting from the screen abstract class, and we have power-ups, we have speed power-up and a health power-up, which also we also have the power-ups factory. So we have two singleton class, that is game class and player class, as can be shown. Player class and the game class are singleton classes, and we have two factory of power-ups and enemies. So up till now, I've completed a lot of work, and I have two pieces of code which I've worked on. So the one piece of code which I've done collision detection on is this code. So this is the code which I've done collision detection on. So I planned to merge that code with this transition of screen in the storyline I built in this game. So first we can see how I did the collision detection. So I made a check collision function in the unit abstract class, which checks the collision when I give it an address, and in the q.cpp I've made the collision function which checks which iterates over the array, and iterates over the array linked list and checks collision of every other unit with every other unit. So if it's true, and if it's check collision B. So this is the player. This is the rectangle, and this is the check collision B. So this is the image I'm giving it, and this is to check collision, and this is how it's working. So it's making it. So this is how it's detecting collision. This is how I'll plan to merge these 4 files into my this big project which I've already worked on. So let's see how what I've done this week along with collision detection. So these are the files I've worked on: alphabet, buttons, character, control screen. There are around 10 to 12 screen. There are around 2 power-ups. There's a power-up factory. There is a player. I haven't worked on the player file, but yeah, I've worked on the screens and the music. So pretty much what left is to compile all of that, integrate the game into these screens and music with the storyline. This is how my screens will start. So this crashed, but it shouldn't crash. This is much together. So this is the load transition, which is from the main menu to. Storyline with the rise of neoliberalism. So it's not a good background, so I will work on it. The citizens of Karachi have taken this initiative to counter this virus by killing all the idiots. So I have to change the background and change the color of this text. Masjid Siddiqui, who has chosen as a message to say, so kill all the planes shooting missiles at them at the Habib University to kill the boss Ariel Jung. So good luck, may the force be with you. So now this is the speed and the food power-ups. I don't have the plane. I'm scrolling down. So I've done the plane and fighter games, fighter and fighter planes. So this is what I will import from that file into this file. This is how it's working now. These are 2 power-ups of food. It will increase the lives and it will increase the speed of my player. So this is the pause screen. So it's asked me to save game or no. So save game doesn't work right now. So if it gives me resume game, I exit game, it exits the game. If I resume, it will resume the game. And if I want to go to the main menu, let's click on save game to this is the main menu.